What's up, y'all? Let's see what we got. I'm looking at really nothing. AMC. Market has just been pretty, I don't know. I wouldn't say quiet, but it's just been kind of boring. That's because volatility is low. And when volatility is low, you have the market pretty much moving one way or sideways, or there's no uncertainty. So the market continues to keep going up, as evidenced by the SPY. You can see the SPY is in an uptrend. Even though the uptrend broke on the Q, it's still just kind of lackluster. Let's see what I got. Oh, let me go to my trades that I did on yesterday. GS, right now I'm in a losing situation. My strike is the 400. It's at 412, so it continued to go up today. I think I got in a little too early. Today would have been a better day to get in. Same thing for JPM. They move pretty much in lockstep. So I'm in the 157.50. It's at 160.87. So we'll see what happens with those two trades. But going on to the next trade, let me see. Boeing also is in an uptrend. This is what you call a stage 2 uptrend. Barbara. I'm not seeing anything that's calling my attention. A lot of it is mixed signals. Square. Why is it not showing? Let's see. Well, I don't have that on here. Uptrend. I'm missing one. Okay, this is the daily. Alright. Oh, that's another mixed signal. What was that? 43. It went from 42 to 43.50 strike. That's weird. Where's the 43 at? Yeah, that's kind of weird. The 43.50 is $30. Uber might be the only trade I take today. Let me do some more looking though. I'm just looking at bigger time frames, just kind of get a picture of it. The ideal time would be here on the weekly. I'll wait on that. Yay. I was looking at this square. I was looking at square too. It's at 270.52. 280. It's a 3.5% move. I'm just looking for reasons to do a trade. And when you do that, it's not really good. Each trade is a 50-50 proposition. So what increases the odds, in my opinion, is other factors. You know what I mean? That says buy or sell. But every trade that you go into is pretty much a 50-50 proposition. But it's all about what you're willing to risk to prove that you're right. So if you're not comfortable with the risk, then don't execute the trade. Because the best trades are the trades in which you have the utmost confidence and comfort with. If you're on the edge by getting into a trade that you don't feel comfortable with, then that'll affect your judgment on that trade and on future trades. It's really an emotional sport, so to speak. But that Uber, I'm getting a conflicting here. I am going to take this Uber trade though. Because they bought it up, it hit a low of 42. Let me see what Lyft is saying. Lyft is up slightly. They typically move in lockstep, but here recently Uber and Lyft have been doing two different things. The charts look different. Oh, and I'm also 1560. I'm also looking at Amazon, possibly for a trade tomorrow. Let's see what it does, because right now it's giving me not a signal, but the prices are relatively cheap. But again, I'll wait for a signal though. And I'm getting one on a 3-day chart for Amazon. You see that? So I'm going to probably execute this trade tomorrow to do an expiration trade, because I'm not getting the same type of signals on the smaller time frames. It's not, the daily's not lining up with it, so I'll wait on that, see what happens tomorrow. Other than that, I'm going to pass on that Uber trade. I'm not going to take any trades today, because that Uber trade is giving me a conflicting signal. Square. So I'll see what trades I'll get tomorrow for an expiration trade, and we'll see what Goldman Sachs and JPM does. I'm in the 400 strike. I could move up and go to a let's see, 40 JPM. Nah, I'll just hold out. So I will get with you guys tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Have a good one.